Hello there, welcome back to Do Art Now. In today's video, we're going to draw this cute little unicorn. And while you draw, I'm going to share some interesting facts about unicorn. So before we start, we're going to find the hidden shapes that make the artwork. So for the head, we're going to start drawing a circle and the body a rectangle. Moving on to the legs, we're going to have a rectangle, and the other side of the leg slightly lifted up is another rectangle. The front leg, we're going to raise it a little bit, again forming it with the rectangles, and the one behind, another rectangle. Moving on to the tail, it's going to be a circle because as you can see on the reference on the left, it's a fluff of hair, so I'm going to create a circle. Moving on, we're going to start with the back side of the horse and moving down to the leg. Continuing the leg onto the thighs, giving it that structure. And the leg on the other side. Take your time defining the shapes. Moving from the neck, we're going to draw the leg that is raised. And the bottom part of the leg moving up. Good job. Hey, did you know that in the olden tales or stories, unicorn's horn was used to clean dirty water? Some people even believed that unicorn's horn could cure the sick. We just finished off creating the bottom part of the tummy, the chest and the tummy. We'll tuck in the tummy a little bit. Next, we're going to draw the bottom part of the face and going all the way up. We're going to create a small gentle smile and create the nose, and that in turn creates the one eye of the unicorn. And did you know, guys, in Scotland the unicorn is the national animal? Wow! So we just finished the other eyes. Just using my eraser just to define it better. Creating the nostrils with two dots. Next, we're going to create the horn of the unicorn with these sort of curved shapes, and as we go up, we're going to reduce the size of the curve and forming the horn. Hey, did you know that young unicorns were called sparkles in some of the modern stories? We're now drawing the hair. If you feel I'm drawing fast, you can pause the video and do it at your pace and continue later. I'm going to create the hair in a way where it's flowing towards the right side, as if the wind is hitting it from the left and the hair is flowing towards the right. Moving on to form the ears. Good job. And the inner part of the ears too. creating more flows of hair. And some more hair just behind the head. In some fairy tales, it's said that only a pure hearted person can see a unicorn. Interesting. Moving on, we're going to create the hairs that is flying or moving forward. You can get creative with the hair. This is just my way. I'm just creating it. So I leave that to you and your creativity. Hairs can be tricky. So make sure you have your eraser next to you and always do not be worried about making mistakes. And next we're moving towards drawing the tail. A big fluff of hair, yes. And few hairs sticking out. Next I'm going to erase those lines that are in between the hair. The word unicorn came from Latin. It means one horn. The idea of unicorns came from seeing the animals like rhinoceros. Moving on, we're going to create the sparkle of the eye, sparkle in the eye, and then the inner part of the eye we're going to darken it with black. I'm just recreating the mouth a little more better. And moving on to create the eyelashes. Just 3 lines going up. There are different ways of creating eyes, so this is how I'm doing it. Hey, did you know that in China, unicorns are called queen? And they look very different from the Western unicorns. So now that we are done with the eyes, looking good, our artwork outline is almost complete. So now we're creating the hoofs of the unicorn. Moving on, we're going to start the color process. I'm going to pick up pink and I'm going to color the complete body of the unicorn, leaving the hoofs and the hair. Hey, did you know that narwhals are sometimes called the unicorns of the sea because of their tusk? So narwhals are basically a whale-like fish, big fish, but it has a horn right in front of its forehead. So we're going to fill up, moving forward, we're going to fill up the body with pink color. Again, color wise you can get creative. So this is what I just decided. So guys, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Thank you. And make sure you see the other videos of other animals that I drew. We're moving on to create the coloring for the face. Be very careful around the eyes. So the best way to color is first color the outer edge and then start filling it in. Good job! I bet you guys are doing a fabulous job. Guys, you can share your image in my Instagram page and I would love to see them. Moving forward for the hair, we're going to pick up blue. The rainbow is often linked with unicorns in the modern pop culture art. Yeah, so you get to see many unicorns with rainbow colors. So for the hair, I'm using blue and a touch of orange. Few strands of hair are going to be blue and the others orange color. Make sure you finish the artwork, guys. Don't leave it halfway through. Coloring can take a little time. So does the outlining. And in the comment, guys, make sure you let me know what you like to draw next and I'll definitely consider drawing them. Moving on to the coloring of the tail. Going a little fast over here. For the hoofs, I'm creating color of green and orange. And now we're going to create the shadow effects. So this is basically going to create the pop to the whole artwork. The shadow is going to fall on the left hand side of the animal. And moving forward, we're going to create the highlights. So highlights, for that I use a white color. White color you can consider using. Next we are creating the shadow effects for the hair. A darker orange color you can use. And a darker blue for the areas where the shadow for the blue has to come in. Wonderful, great job. So guys, hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. And make sure you like the video and share and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.